Hello and welcome to my show. This is sounds called How to Make Boursin Cracked Black Pepper McMuffin. First thing you gotta do is you peel the egg McMuffin into 2 slices, put in a toaster, plug in the toaster, and let it toast for 4 minutes. And I can see here the English muffins are toasting. And I'm letting them toast this time. And it's going pretty well. Put it down 1 minute so it doesn't get crunchy too much. Now we unplug the toaster after we take the English muffins out of, and then spread the boursin on the English muffin, one of each slice. And then put together, and here is your Boursin Cracked Black Pepper Egg McMuffin. Enjoy it, folks, and I hope you like this sandwich.